We're talking to Nurse Abbey now, and I wanted to address, let's say, those people who haven't done any treatments before and they're looking to start their journey.
Yes.
What would be some of the treatments that they could start with?
Yeah, absolutely. There's a couple of things that I would always lead people into doing. So a bit of anti-wrinkle is always amazing, and then great skin as well with doing laser facials.
Okay, so let's start with talking about the anti-wrinkle. If you haven't done anything like that before, can you kind of start a little bit smaller maybe?
Yeah, absolutely, especially for younger people. Dipping your toe into the water and just having really low doses of anti-wrinkle is an amazing place to start, which is what I'm all about as well and have started. But yeah, absolutely. You can do low doses as prevention from having deep setting lines.
That's what I was going to ask you. So as a younger person, if you're just starting the journey and you're thinking, okay, I know that I don't want to end up with, an aged look when I'm older, this is where you'd start, because this can be almost like a preventative way of anti-aging.
Yeah, absolutely. Because the more that you keep everything looking smooth and nice, it is preventative for the future from having deep set-in lines.
Okay, so from that, you also mentioned laser facials, etc.
Yeah.
Now, is there much of a difference between, say, seeing a beauty salon to coming here for the true cosmetic medicine level? What's the difference in the facials?
Absolutely. They both do have their indication and are great for whether you want relaxation or true results. With Concept here, our laser facials target deeper dermal layers of your skin. So you get deep layers treated as well as superficial, where the beauticians mostly just treat what's happening on the surface level.
Okay, so if I come to you for a laser facial treatment, what would I expect? What kind of things happen during that session?
Yeah, absolutely. We use a few lasers in combination. So pigmentation, redness, tone and texture of your skin, so if you've got enlarged pores or anything like that, and then any capillaries or skin lesions we can definitely address with our machines.
So is there any kind of downtime after we do these facials?
Yeah, generally with our laser facials they're walk in, walk out, so you can get a little bit of redness post, but nothing that you can't cover with a little bit of makeup because we aren't breaking the skin. But no, very limited downtime.
Okay, and what about then those results? Do I immediately see results, or is this something that I have to wait a few weeks for?
Yeah, people notice a result straight away once that redness subsides. The next day they feel like they're really glowing, and that lasts usually the next 4 to 6 weeks, and then they come back and have it retreated. Okay,
so it is something that you can do then on a regular basis?
Absolutely, and that's what we would recommend just for keeping your skin looking good all year long.
Okay, so again, this is a great place for those who are in their younger age group and wanting to prevent the skin ageing prematurely.
Absolutely, and even with stuff like acne scarring and stretch marks and pigmentation, lasers are a great indication for those things as well.
Okay, that's terrific.
Yeah.
Well, if you'd like to book in with Nurse Abbey, you can do that at Concept Cosmetic Medicine.